The Joie mini egg frying pan. Small is a fantastic little helper in the kitchen. It's perfect for making a single egg. You can also use it for small pancakes. The non-stick surface is great. And food doesn't stick. This makes cooking and cleaning super easy. The handle stays cool, so you won't burn your hand. It's a simple tool, but it offers big convenience for quick breakfasts. This Joie mini egg frying pan. Small is just the right size. It fits one egg perfectly. And it's also ideal for making those round eggs for breakfast sandwiches. Forget about struggling with a big pan for just one egg. This small skillet heats up quickly, saving you time in the mornings. Plus, it's made without BPA and PFOA. That means it's a safer choice for your cooking needs. It truly shines for individual portions. Overall, the Joie mini egg frying pan. Small is a great addition to any kitchen. It's especially useful if you often cook for just yourself. It's lightweight and easy to store. While it's not a large wok or a griddle, it excels at its specific purpose. It offers a simple and effective way to cook eggs and small pancakes. It definitely earns its stars for being a practical and convenient kitchen tool. Pros: small size, non-stick, easy to clean, heat-safe handle, good for one egg, great for sandwiches, works for pancakes, compact, 4.5-inch, BPA-free, PFOA-free. Cons: poor balance, very small, uneven heat, handle gets hot, not for all stoves, hand wash only. Not very durable, too small for some features. Heat handle, 1 egg, sandwiches, pancakes. 4.5-inch, BPA-free, PFOA-free, easy clean. This small 4.5-inch Joie mini frying pan is great for cooking a single egg, making it perfect for one-person breakfasts or egg sandwiches. It has a non-stick surface, so food will slide right off and it's easy to clean. The handle is made to resist heat, helping you hold it safely. This pan can also be used for small pancakes. It's made without BPA and PFOA, which are chemicals some people prefer to avoid in their cookware. This small 4.5-inch Joie mini frying pan is designed for cooking single eggs, making it great for breakfast sandwiches and small pancakes. It has a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning, and a handle that is made to resist heat. However, it has some downsides like poor balance, very small size, uneven heating, a handle that can still get hot, and it's not suitable for all types of stoves or dishwasher use. Plus, it may not last a very long time and might be too small for some people's needs.